Lesson number 17, Pearly Teeth, Healthy Body. Can you tell how many children in your class have lost a tooth or two? Will those who have lost some teeth get new ones? People lose their teeth when they grow old. Do they also get new teeth? Grandfather's new teeth. We had all gathered to play in the evening. Subhash had not come. He'd gone with his grandpa to the dentist. 3 months ago, grandpa's teeth had all been removed. He was to get his dentures today. Monica Tai told us such dentures look like real, but the teeth are actually false. Ahmed, who is in the first standard, promptly asked, why get false teeth? My brother's teeth also fell, but they all grew again. Won't Shubha's grandpa get new ones like him? That made everyone laugh. Monica Tai explained to Ahmed the teeth that we get when we are babies are called milk teeth. They start falling when we are 7 or 8 years old. After that, we get new teeth once again. These are called permanent teeth. When these teeth fall, we don't get any new ones. Balu wondered, so what? If we don't get new teeth again, why should we get false one? Monica Tai said, Balu, you were in the third standard, aren't you? Several of your classmates must have lost their teeth. You have also lost some. Don't you have trouble eating and talking? Then Balu remembered, oh yes, you were right. I love gavas, but now I can't eat them. Mary teased him, and you know, Balu can't say sh either. His front teeth are missing. When he tries, it sounds like a whistle. Everyone laughed again. Now you know why it is so important to look after permanent teeth, said Monica Tai wisely. Just then, Subhash and his grandpa returned. Grandpa smiled at us. His new dentures were shining bright. Can you tell? Many people lose their teeth when they grow old, but some people lose their permanent teeth quite early. What could be the reasons for that? Taking care of our teeth. After eating something, we should wash our mouth, scrub our teeth inside and outside with a finger. We should swill plenty of water in our mouth and rinse it well 4 or 5 times. If we do not do that, particles of food remain in the mouth. They stick to our teeth and tongue. They get stuck in between the teeth. If they remain there, the teeth begin to rot. Then we get bad breath. That is, the mouth smells bad. If this happens often, the gums are also affected. They may ooze blood and pus. These foul substances go into our stomach, then we can fall ill. Because of the rotting particles in the mouth, our teeth decay. Slowly the teeth become loose and in the end they fall. We must avoid this. For that, we must brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. We must also clean our gums and tongue. Neem or bubble sticks are sometimes used for cleaning teeth. Some people buy tooth powder from the market or make it at home. Many people use a toothbrush and toothpaste. Neem and bubble sticks or homemade tooth powders do not clean well from the gaps between our teeth. Also, tooth powder can be rough while the neem or bubble sticks are hard. They can injure our gums. Using a brush and toothpaste, we can clean the gaps between the teeth properly. Besides, the foam of the toothpaste helps the particles stuck between teeth to come loose and get washed away. Use your brain power, which is the best method of washing your mouth clean. Why? Why must we wash our hands before we eat? Try this. Take a glass beaker half full of water. Tell any student of your class to wash his or her hands in the beaker of water. Then look at his or her hands. See if the water in the beaker has changed in any way. What do you see? The ants that were washed in the beaker became clean. The water in the beaker looks slightly muddy. You will find that the same thing happens no matter which of your classmates tries this. What does this tell us? All day while playing or working, our hands become dirty. So, we must wash our hands before we eat. Do you know? Sometimes when we get scratches or a wound that bleeds, people apply wet mud to the injury. But it is wrong to do so. It infects the cut or wound, which may start oozing pus. Keeping our body clean. Remember, it is for us to keep our body clean. If we eat with unclean hands, the dirt on the hands goes into our stomach. We can get a stomach upset. So, we must not forget to wash our hands before we begin to eat. Just as it is necessary to keep our teeth clean, it is important to keep our hair and nails clean too. We must also keep our sensory organs clean. We must bathe every day. We must wash our hair at least once a week. If we don't keep ourselves clean, we may contract different diseases. Who are the really smart ones? Everyone brushes their teeth in the morning, but the smartest people, they brush their teeth before they go to bed every single night too. Everyone washes their hands after a meal, and the smartest, they wash their hands without fail before a meal too. What we have learned: the teeth we get when we are small are called milk teeth. They start falling at 7 or 8 years of age. Then we get new teeth once again. These are called permanent teeth. If permanent teeth fall, we do not get new teeth in their place. So, we must take care of our teeth. If our teeth are dirty, foul substances go into our stomach. We can fall ill. We must wash our hands before we eat. We must keep our hair, our nails, our sense organs, and the entire body clean. Always remember, it is for us to keep our body clean.